Brian Thomas. Told you I was buying a piece of gold today.
You did.
This was found 90 years ago. It's a piece of gold in calcite.
Okay.
You're going to be the first person to get to see it before I start cleaning it.
It's got a good weight to it. Whatever it looks like, I wish I could find something this heavy. Holy smokes, dude. Whoa. Oh, that's a trip.
Isn't that a cool piece? Let's zoom in for the people to see here.
What's all over it?
Water.
Wow.
Isn't that thing sick?
This is super sick. Look at all of it in there. It looks like a brain,
Yeah.
which is like gold running on through it. You can see the crystals. Man. That's freaking incredible.
Yeah, that thing's going to clean up just unbelievable.
Wow. That's dope. It's mine now.